Let me ask you something real quick. You work hard, you earn money, but at the end of every month, it's just gone. Sound familiar? You're not lazy, you're not stupid, but something is keeping you broke. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what that is. These are the Quate 10 money mistakes that are silently draining your wealth. And most people have no idea they're making them. If you fix even 3 of these, your financial life will never be the same. Let's get into it. Welcome to Locus Invest, the channel where we talk about real money, real strategies, and real results. I'm Locus, and today's video is probably one of the most important ones I've ever made, because I've talked to hundreds of people who are stuck financially, and almost every single one of them is making at least 5 of these 10 mistakes. The scary part? Most of them don't even know it. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's break this down. Well, one mistake at a time. Mistake number 1. You have no budget. Okay, first one. And this one's gonna sting a little. Most people have absolutely no idea where their money goes every month. They just spend, and then wonder why they're broke. Here's the truth. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will leave on its own. Think about it. You earn $3,000 a month, but between rent, food, subscriptions, eating out, impulse buys, where does it all go? If you can't answer that question right now, that's your problem. Start with a simple budget. You don't need a fancy app, even a piece of paper works. Try the 1-50-30-20 rule. 50% on needs, rent, food, bills. 30% on wants, fun, eating out, 20% on savings and investments. This one change alone can transform your financial life within 3 months. Mistake number 2, lifestyle inflation. Let me tell you about a guy. Let's call him Jake. Jake got a raise at work, $500 more per month. What did Jake do? He upgraded his apartment, got a newer car, started eating at nicer restaurants. 3 years later, Jake is making way more money than before, but he's still broke. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the sneakiest traps out there. Every time your income goes up, your expenses go up even faster. The people who build real wealth, when they get a raise, they don't change their lifestyle. They invest that extra money instead. Next time you get extra income, a raise, a bonus, a side hustle check. You put at least 50% of it directly into savings or investments before you upgrade anything. Future, you will say thank you. Mistake number 3, no emergency fund. This one is huge, and it sets off a dangerous chain reaction. Most Americans can't cover a $400 emergency without going into debt. $400. That's 1 car repair, 1 doctor visit, 1 broken phone. And because they have no emergency fund, 1 small problem becomes a big financial disaster. They put it on a credit card. The credit card charges interest. They can't pay it off. Now they're in debt, and the debt grows. All from one $400 surprise. Build an emergency fund of at least 6 months of expenses. Put it in a separate savings account. One that's harder to access so you don't spend it. Start small. Even $25 a week adds up to $1,300 in a year. It's not about the amount, it's about having something. Mistake number 4, paying only the minimum on credit cards. Okay, this one is going to blow your mind. Let's say you have a $5,000 credit card balance. The interest rate is 20%, which is pretty average in the US. If you only pay the minimum each month, around $100, do you know how long it takes to pay that off? Over 8 years. And you'll pay more than $5,000 in interest alone. You'll pay double for that debt. Just because you paid the minimum. Credit card companies love people who pay minimum payments, because those people make them rich. Always pay more than the minimum. Use the avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest card first, while making minimum payments on others. This saves you the most money in interest. Mistake number 5, not investing early enough. I need you to really hear this one. Time is literally money, and I mean that mathematically. Here's an example. Sarah starts investing $200 a month at age 25. By 65, she has over $525,000, Hyo assuming 8% average returns. Her friend Mike waits until he's 35 to start. Same $200 a month, same returns. By 65, he has around $240,000. Mike invested for 10 fewer years, but he ended up with over $285,000 less. That's the power of compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, and he wasn't wrong. Start investing today. Even $50 a month matters. Open a Roth IRA or contribute to your 401k. Hyo, especially if your employer matches. That's free money. Don't wait for the right time. The right time was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Mistake number 6, buying things to impress people. You know what's wild? Most people spend money they don't have, to buy things they don't need, to impress people they don't even like. The fancy car, the designer clothes, the expensive watch. Here's what nobody tells you. The rich don't spend to look rich. They invest to be rich. Studies consistently show that the average millionaire drives a used Toyota, lives in a normal house, and doesn't care about flexing. Meanwhile, the person driving a $70,000 leased car is usually one missed paycheck away from broke. Ask yourself before every purchase, whoa, am I buying this because I need it, or because I want people to think I'm doing well? Real wealth is built in private. The flex comes later. Whoa, when you're actually free. Mistake number 7, no multiple income streams. Here's a scary fact. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. 7. Most working Americans have 1. Their job. And that one job is dangerous. 1 layoff. 1 bad boss. 1 company going bankrupt. Whoa, and suddenly you have 0 income. This is not about working 24/7. It's about being smart. Some easy ways to build extra income. Freelancing or consulting in your skill area. Selling products online. eBay, Amazon, Etsy. Dividend investing. Renting out a room or space. Creating digital products or a YouTube channel. Even an extra $300 to $500 a month can change your financial situation dramatically. Pick one side income idea and spend 5 hours a week on it. Don't try to do everything at once. Master one, then add another. Mistake number 8, ignoring your credit score. Your credit score is like your financial report card. And just like in school, ignoring your grades has consequences. A bad credit score means you pay more for everything. You higher interest on loans, higher insurance premiums, and landlords can even reject your rental application. A good credit score, 700 plus, can save you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Yet most people have no idea what their score is, or why it matters. Check your credit score for free on Credit Karma or your bank's app. Then work on improving it. Pay bills on time. Biggest factor, you owe 35% of your score. Keep credit card balances below 30% of the limit. Don't open too many new accounts at once. This is free money sitting on the table. Go pick it up. Mistake number 9, emotional spending. Let me get real with you for a second. How many times have you bought something because you were bored, stressed, sad, or just scrolling through Instagram and saw something that looked cool? This is called emotional spending, and it's one of the biggest silent killers of wealth. The shopping app notifications, the one-click checkout, the limited time sale. It's all designed to make you spend without thinking, and retail therapy feels good for about 10 minutes. Then the package arrives, and you feel nothing. Or worse, Hyo guilt. Implement the 24-hour rule. Before buying anything over $50 that isn't essential, wait 24 hours. If you still want it the next day and it fits your budget, Hyo buy it guilt-free. But you'll be surprised how often you forget about it entirely. Also, delete shopping apps from your phone. Out of sight, out of mind. Mistake number 10. Having no financial goals. This is the big one, the one that ties everything together. If you don't know where you're going, every road looks the same. Most people have vague money goals. I want to save more. I want to be rich someday. I want to get out of debt. That's not a plan. That's a wish. Real goals are specific. They have numbers and deadlines. Not I want to save more, but I will save $5,000 by December 31st by saving $420 per month. Not I want to be debt-free, but I will pay off my $8,000 student loan in 18 months by paying $445 extra per month. When you have a clear target, your brain starts working toward it automatically. Right now, write down your number one financial goal. Give it a specific dollar amount and a deadline. Then work backwards to figure out what you need to do each month to hit it. Put that goal somewhere, you'll see it every single day. All right, how those are the 10 money mistakes keeping you poor. Let's do a quick recap. 1. No budget. 2. Lifestyle inflation. 3. No emergency fund. 4. Paying only the minimum on credit cards. 5. Not investing early enough. 6. Buying things to impress others. And having only one income stream. 8. Ignoring your credit score. 9. Emotional spending. 10. Having no financial goals. Now here's my challenge to you. Pick one mistake. That's all it takes to start changing your financial future. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow so I can keep making content like this. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. And drop a comment below. Which of these 10 mistakes hit you the hardest? I read every single comment. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of your money. Because nobody else will.